Hi guys. So once you have recorded your video on green screen and you've got it saved in your camera roll, we need to work out how you're going to get that video uploaded onto your website. And the best way to do it is to use your YouTube channel. Now, you probably don't realize, but you've actually got a YouTube channel waiting for you to create using your Jebel Ali school account. So I'm just going to talk you through very quickly how you use that, how you open that up. Okay, so you're going to go to your icon here, which is your Google Apps. And if you scroll down to YouTube, okay, your page is going to look different to mine. Oh, look, there's Freddie there. Okay. Now look on the left-hand side. You're not going to have all of these, but what you're going to have is something that says library. Okay. So if you click on library, now at the moment you probably haven't got a library. All right. But what it will say is, it will say create your own Google account, and you're just going to click a button that says create account. Okay, so once you've then, it will come up as now, like literally takes a second, and then you would have your own YouTube channel. Okay, so sorry, it says create channel, not account. Then your YouTube channel will be there for you. All right, now what you're going to do then is you are going to click on this icon up here, which says create. Okay, and you're going to go to upload video. And then what you're going to do is drag and drop or upload your video that you just made into here. Okay, and then what that will do is it will save it in your library. Now this is my channel content here, so these are all the videos that I've created. So once you see your video here, you click on those three dots and click on shareable link. Okay, so you've now got a link to be copied. So now if I go into a Google site, now I've got all of my classes sites up here so I can see them. So I'm going to go into this one here. All right. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a video. So I'm going to create a new tab. Okay, up here, and it might say not managers welcome. What was it? It would be I can't remember what we said now. You could have like a welcome page here, and then if you go further, scroll down, you see there it says YouTube, and then all you do is paste your link into there, and then that's where your video will then appear on that section of that page. Okay, if you're not sure, ask your teacher can help you. All right, but that's basically how it goes. So good luck, and look forward to seeing your videos on your site.